Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Topical Talks for a new tutorial video. And in this video, we will learn how to log into your Roblox account without password. Firstly, we have to go to the Roblox website, go to the search panel and then type Roblox. Now at least one of your devices has to have Roblox logged in order to log in without password. Now we have to log in from another device. Just click on login, and instead of using username and password, we'll use another device. Now copy the code from option 2 and go to the device that's logged on. Now click on quick login in the gear button. Now input the code you have copied into here, then click on enter. After entering, you have to confirm login. Now the login is successful. If you go to our previous device, we'll see that the game has logged in. And that's how you log in without a password. Thank you again for watching the video. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next video.